Alright, these are the guest elevators here at the Fiesta in Monterrey Tecnológico in Monterrey, Mexico. These are Gen 2, and the other one on the right side is not working. So, yeah, we're gonna go up to a limited floor. See? Oh, 11 is the highest we can go. This is a different Gen 2. This goes up to the Fiesta rewards floor. So you're at 11. S2. S1. The highest we go, there's your key card sensor. Here at S1, 5-1. Like, don't get it's not the 54th floor, people, so don't get confused. So we're gonna go up to PB and we're gonna end it there. So yeah, don't get confused with 51, guys. So very nice Gen 2 elevator. Your buttons and the indicator, and here at PB, which is the main entrance, there's your key card sensor. Or how about we just end it at the lobby? My bad. Here at 2 again, which is where we started off. Buenas. We're back. Right, there it goes, and that's it.